In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Rackspace Portal, offering a complete beginner's guide to navigating this useful platform. Whether you're just starting out or looking to familiarize yourself with the basics, you're in the right place. So let's dive right in and explore what the Rackspace Portal is all about. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Rackspace homepage. This will be your gateway to accessing a variety of functions and features that Rackspace offers. As you land on the Rackspace website, you'll notice a clean and straightforward design. This makes it easy to find the different sections of the site, which is very user-friendly. Next up, look towards the top right-hand corner of the page. Here you'll see a button labeled Login and Support. This is your next step. By clicking here, you're taking the first step into the more interactive part of the portal. Here, Rackspace provides support and various login options, making it convenient for users to access what they need straightforwardly. Once you've clicked on Login and Support, you'll be directed to a page showing different login options. Your focus should be on the Rackspace Customer Portal link. Clicking on this will bring you closer to the resources and management tools you're seeking. The Customer Portal is specifically designed to help you manage your cloud services, support tickets, and more. Now that you're at the login page of the Rackspace Customer Portal, you have two choices. You can either enter your Rackspace credentials, if you have them handy, or if you prefer a more streamlined process, you can click on Use your organization's credentials. This option is particularly helpful if your organization uses single sign-on, saving you the hassle of remembering yet another password. It's a great way to ensure smooth access, especially when you're part of a larger team. Navigating the Rackspace portal is straightforward with these steps. Each step along the way is designed to provide a seamless experience, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, managing your cloud infrastructure efficiently. Remember, the Rackspace portal is more than just a login screen. It's a hub of resources and management tools that are integral to optimizing your cloud services. In conclusion, getting started with Rackspace Portal is a breeze once you know where to click and what options work best for you or your organization. Don't stress if it takes a couple of times to get familiar with the layout. It becomes intuitive with a little practice. Thanks for joining me in this beginner's guide to the Rackspace Portal. We've explored the essential steps to get you logged in and ready to go. Stay tuned for more guides and happy navigating!